Welcome to AP European History with Ms. Ashby. This is a class for juniors and seniors who preferably have already taken AP World History and or AP US History. The reason for this is that the AP European History exam actually looks a lot like the AP World and AP US History exams. AP European History focuses on modern Europe from the mid-15th century until the present. So when you covered this in AP World History, it just kind of dives down a little bit deeper into the topics that maybe you wanted to know a little bit more about. So you can see these are the 9 units that we'll be talking about the entire school year. Includes the Renaissance and Exploration, Reformation, Absolutism, scientific and political and philosophical developments, conflict, industrialization, political developments, global conflicts, Cold War, and contemporary Europe. Now, if we were to take Unit 1 and kind of break it down a little bit, you can see for Renaissance and Exploration some of the different topics that we will be discussing. So we'll be looking more into architecture, for example, seeing Palladio's Palazzo del Capitanio, also looking at the Duomo in Florence and who designed it, maybe reading a little bit from Praise of Folly by humanist writer Erasmus, and also talking about Ferdinand and Isabella of Spain. Now, as I said, this is supposed to be a class that is for 11th and 12th graders who are motivated, who have strong reading and writing skills. You want to take the class. You are interested in European history. And also expect that you'll have nightly reading, that you're expected to be studying every night. This is not a class in which you'll get study guides or review sessions, very similar to your AP World or your AP US History classes. Your essays will be timed, and you will also have stimulus-based multiple choice tests. And I'll show you what I mean in just a moment by that. And if you've taken AP World or you've taken AP US History, you can see that the exam is very similar. You've got the same exam weighting, the same timing, right? And the same layout of multiple choice comes first. You get 55 questions in 55 minutes. You see that there are 3 short answer questions that you complete in 40 minutes, a break, and then you also get your document-based question and an LEQ. So same layout as what you would see with AP World History and AP US History. If you're a student who has not taken AP World or AP US and you're considering taking the class, this is what a multiple choice question would look like. So the stimulus is the paragraph or the excerpt that is at the top along with the source, and then between 2 and 4 questions that follow. You can't just pull the information from the excerpt. You need to have the background knowledge to then apply in order to understand the excerpt and answer the following questions. So you get a minute per question in order to answer those questions. So you have to move very quickly, to say the least. This is a long essay question or LAQ question. An example, evaluate the most significant long-term effect of the French Revolution during the period of 1850 to 1900, along with the expectations as to how you would organize your essay. And then DBQ, which is document-based question. So for this example, they said, evaluate whether the 30 Years' War was fought primarily for religious or primarily political reasons. And then they will give you 7 documents that you will then reference as you make your argument. So if you are interested in taking AP European History with Ms. Ashby next year, please sign up. Love to have you.